Jared Rutherford with Tampa Bay's Best Life, and we're here today in the city of Parrish, conveniently located between Tampa, Sarasota, and St. Petersburg. We're here to check out our team's newest listing. It's a Verona model, Homes by West Bay. Come check it out. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, killer home. Let's go. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath. The square footage is 3518, and this home has tons of upgrades. Let's go check them out. And this kitchen is a chef's dream. We have everything from quartz countertops to stainless steel appliances, gas stove. We have a farm sink. Check out the Samsung bespoke fridge. Upstairs, we have a great open loft area. So many options up here. You could have it as a game room. You could have it as flex room, living space, whatever you want. It's your choice.